In this video, you will learn how to connect Smart Device Connector to your MFP using Guest Connection. Scroll to and select Ricoh Connector app from your smart device. Scroll to MFP Printer and select Connect with QR code, NFC, or Bluetooth, depending on how your MFP is set up. In this example, we will use Connect with QR code. From here, you can change the default way to connect and change if necessary. Now we will add the machine via Guest Connection by using a QR code. Select Add the machine via Guest Connection. Now select Add Machine. Select Add by QR code. If the QR code is not displayed on your MFP, select the Ricoh Connector app. Select Next on your smart device. Now scan the QR code. You should now see the devices added and ready to be used with the Connector app.